Imagine sitting at your desk, staring at a screen that's just a little too slow. You're running a complex AI model, waiting for results that never come fast enough. Your local workstation chokes on the workload. Cloud costs are spiraling out of control. Deadlines loom. Frustration builds. What if I told you there's a machine that can deliver supercomputer-level AI performance right on your desk, without the noise, the heat, or the cloud bill? This isn't a futuristic dream. It's the NVIDIA DGX Spark, the world's first personal AI desktop supercomputer. Built around the revolutionary Grace Blackwell GB10 chip, it delivers up to 1 petaflop of AI performance in a compact, energy-efficient form factor. That's not just fast, it's transformative. And today, we're going to break down why this device isn't just another workstation upgrade. It's a paradigm shift for AI professionals, researchers, and developers who need power without compromise. For years, AI teams have faced a brutal trade-off. Local machines either lack the muscle to run large models efficiently, or they're so powerful they require dedicated server rooms, expensive cooling, and constant maintenance. Meanwhile, cloud solutions offer scalability but come with unpredictable latency, data privacy concerns, and runaway costs. Even worse, fine-tuning a model in the cloud often means uploading sensitive data, risking exposure and compliance violations. The DGX Spark changes the game by bringing enterprise-grade AI compute directly to your desk, secure, silent, and scalable. Let's talk design. The DGX Spark is sleek, minimalist, and surprisingly compact for what it does. It's about the size of a small desktop tower, but don't let the footprint fool you. The magnesium alloy chassis feels premium, with clean lines and a matte black finish that screams professionalism. It's quiet, almost silent, thanks to advanced thermal management that uses vapor chambers and liquid cooling to dissipate heat efficiently. No loud fans, no jet engine whirring, just pure, unobtrusive power. The front panel houses a single power button, a USB-C port, and a status LED that pulses softly during operation. It's not flashy, but it's thoughtfully engineered for a workspace. Now, let's talk the heart of the beast, the Grace Blackwell GB10 chip. This isn't just another GPU. It's a purpose-built AI accelerator, combining NVIDIA's Grace CPU architecture with Blackwell GPU cores, all on a single chip. The result? Up to 1 petaflop of AI performance. Enough to fine-tune large language models locally, run real-time inference on massive datasets, and process complex analytics without ever touching the cloud. The GB10 integrates 128 gigabytes of unified LPDDR memory with 32 gigabytes of HBM3. Yes, HBM3E, delivering memory bandwidth of over 8 terabytes per second. That's not just fast, it's revolutionary. And it's all managed by NVIDIA's full AI software stack, from CUDA and CUDNN to TensorRT and NeMo. You're not just buying hardware. You're getting a complete AI development ecosystem, optimized and ready to go. But performance without software is meaningless. That's why NVIDIA designed the DGX Spark from the ground up to integrate seamlessly with their AI platform. You get access to NVIDIA AI Enterprise, which includes pre-optimized frameworks, libraries, and tools for model training, fine-tuning, and deployment. Want to run Llama 3 locally? No problem. Need to fine-tune a vision model for medical imaging? The Spark handles it. Want to deploy a real-time chatbot on-premises for data privacy? Done. The software stack is designed to eliminate setup friction. No more wrestling with drivers. No more dependency hell. It just works. Let's talk real-world use. Imagine you're a healthcare researcher analyzing MRI scans using a diffusion model. With traditional hardware, you'd upload data to the cloud, wait for inference, and hope for the best. With the DGX Spark, you load the model locally, process the scans in seconds, and keep patient data secure behind your firewall. Or consider a financial analyst running Monte Carlo simulations on proprietary datasets. No more latency, no more third-party servers, just raw compute power at your fingertips. Even creative teams using generative AI for video editing can render complex scenes in real time, thanks to the Spark's parallel processing muscle. It's not just about speed, it's about control, security, and ownership of your workflow. Of course, no device is perfect. The DGX Spark is expensive. We're talking 5 figures. That's a serious investment. And while it's compact, it's still a high-power device that requires proper ventilation and a stable power supply. It's not a plug-and-play upgrade for every desk. Also, while the software stack is robust, it's NVIDIA-centric. If you're deeply invested in AMD or Intel ecosystems, integration might be a challenge. And let's be honest, if you're only running small models or basic inference, you probably don't need this level of power. But for teams pushing the boundaries of AI, whether in research, enterprise, or creative fields, the Spark is a game changer. How does it compare? Well, traditional workstations with high-end GPUs like the RTX 4090 might offer strong single GPU performance, but they lack the memory bandwidth, scalability, and software integration of the DGX Spark. Cloud solutions like AWS EC2 or Google Vertex AI can scale, but they introduce latency, cost unpredictability, and data privacy risks. The DGX Spark sits in a unique sweet spot: local, powerful, secure, and integrated, without the overhead of a full data center. It's the only device in its class that delivers true supercomputer performance on a desk. So, who should buy the NVIDIA DGX Spark? If you're a data scientist fine-tuning LLMs. If you're a research lab processing large-scale simulations. If you're a creative studio rendering AI-generated content in real time. If you value data privacy, low latency, and maximum control over your AI workflow, this is for you. It's not for everyone, but for those who need it, it's transformative. The NVIDIA DGX Spark isn't just a computer. It's a statement. A statement that AI doesn't have to live in the cloud. That supercomputing power can be personal, secure, and efficient. But the future of AI development isn't just accessible. It's right here on your desk. If you're ready to take your AI work to the next level, if you're tired of waiting, tired of compromising, tired of being locked into cloud dependencies, then the DGX Spark is calling your name. Don't just dream about faster AI. Own it, deploy it, master it. With the NVIDIA DGX Spark, the power is finally in your hands.